Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix PS5 Remote Play not connecting. So if you're unable to access your PS5 using Remote Play, then just follow along. First, make sure your PS5 is connected to the internet and either turned on or in reset mode. And on your PS5, go to Settings, System, then Remote Play, and make sure Enable Remote Play is turned on. Next, open Settings, System, Power Saving, and under Features available in Reset mode, you need to enable Stay Connected to the Internet and enable turning on PS5 from network. Now check that you're signed in into the same PlayStation Network account on both your PS5 and the Remote Play app. Next, restart your PS5, your phone, tablet, or PC and your Wi-Fi router to refresh the connection. And if you're using mobile data or a different Wi-Fi network, you need to make sure the connection is stable enough for remote play. Also, you need to update both your PS5 system software and the remote play app to the latest version. And if the problem still continues, unlink your console from the remote play app and pair it again. So that was how to fix PS5 Remote Play not connecting. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.